Welcome to HackersvellA YouTube session tutorial. Today we are going to learn about Sherlock tool, which is basically we use for information gathering. Okay, as we all know that information gathering in hacking is very important step, because how much information we can gather about the victim, about the users, that much more powerful attacks we can conduct. Correct? Okay. In this, Sherlock is very powerful tool because Sherlock is going to provide you information about a particular user account is registered on how many different online platforms. Correct? Like simple user particular username will be registered in different platforms. Correct? So if you search that particular username through Sherlock, Sherlock will provide you that portals information, like this username is registered this how many different platforms. Correct? So let's see what Sherlock is actually. So Sherlock is basically Debian based tool which we can run on Debian based platforms. Okay, and we can use it basically. Okay, so like the definition of a Sherlock is also very powerful. Hunt down social media accounts by username across social networks. Okay, basically they have added around 300 plus sites. Okay, so basically Sherlock scan those sites and find out this particular username is registered how many different platforms. Correct? You can download it directly from GitHub. Okay, and other sources, you know how to download and how to clone it. Correct? I'll show you also. Okay, before that, one more thing I want to tell you. Okay, basically what happened, sometimes we want to use Debian based architecture, but some problems occur. Okay, so this information why I want to give you that, if sometime you are getting fails for something like Linux is not working or something happening, or you want to start some process quickly. Okay, so what you can do, you can use Debian architecture. Instead of installing it, you can use it in a browser. Okay, because we have a platform called Google Cloud Shell. Okay, so this platform is basically Debian based online platform which you can utilize it anytime from any browser at any platform. Okay, and it's very easy to use. Okay, so first of all I will show you how to use Google Cloud Shell. Okay, and how to use Sherlock directly through the Google Cloud Shell, and you can use this same process to your Kali Linux or whatever the Debian based operating system you are using. Okay, so let's start it. Okay, so see what you have to do. Simple, you have to search Google Cloud Shell from browser. Okay, and you will get this link. Open the link. Okay, basically you will get this window. Okay, and open it, go to console and register it. That's it. Register from your mail ID. Enter your password, whatever you are giving. Okay, and you will get your Google Cloud Shell platform. That's it. How easy it is? Okay, you don't have to install Linux, Kali Linux in a live or whatever you want to do. Here you can do it very easily. Okay, agree the terms and services. Here also Cloud Shell you have to agree and start the Cloud Shell. Okay, it will provide you around 1.7 GB RAM, 5 GB storage. Correct? So see, basically your Cloud Shell has been started. Easy? Correct? Now see how we can use Sherlock in this architecture. Okay, okay, so you have to clone Sherlock from GitHub. You can install it directly from any other sources also, but we use this thing basically. Okay, so let's do it fast. So this is the link. Okay, you can directly go to the GitHub and search Sherlock project also. You can download it from there also, and this is the same link. From there also you get it. Okay, and go to your console. Okay, git clone https github.com Sherlock project sherlock.git. Okay, see, and done. Your Sherlock has been installed on your Google Cloud Shell. Same thing what you do in a Linux architecture, same thing you are doing in the Google Cloud Shell Linux architecture. It's also Debian based architecture. Okay, now you have to move to the Sherlock directory, and how you will do it? We all know that cd Sherlock. Okay, and you are into the Sherlock directory. Okay, next step is very easy. Now you have Sherlock has been installed, but you have to install some requirements. Okay, you have to install some requirement. That the command is python 3 space minus m pip install minus r requirement txt, which will be in your architecture only. It will be get installed. Okay, see, now your requirements for Sherlock is installing on your console. All setup will be done, and now you are ready. You are ready to use what? You are ready to use Sherlock. Okay, so there are few basic commands which you can see, like if you simple run python 3 Sherlock, means if you want to see help, so python, because Sherlock is a Python based tool, so python 3 Sherlock. Okay, so there are some commands for Sherlock. Okay, like what other commands you can do? You can use CSV files, you can use one username. You have lots of username, you can directly run those usernames from here, or you can directly import the CSV file into this tool directly, and it will scan from that file also. Okay, so all the helps are there that you can read it. Okay, let's quickly see. Okay, so basically the command of Sherlock username is python 3 Sherlock, and enter the username what you want to search. Okay, like I will search our company name only. So let's see where this SpidervellA username. You have to understand it's a username, particular username. Okay, see, it will check. As you can see the result. Okay, so where are the places where SpidervellA username is registered? So you can find out all the platforms where this username, particular username has been registered. Okay, so if you have other usernames and you want to know whatever the famous usernames are there, you want to get information about those usernames, you can understand. Okay, so if it is taking time, so you have one more command, you can run it. Time out and give 1. Now see, process will be little fast, but not that much slow. Okay, so as you can see, this SpidervellA username has been registered on how many different platforms. Okay, if you have other usernames, you can give those username also. If it is registered somewhere, we can see that. Okay, so like that. Any other username if you want to give, multiple usernames you want to give, separated by comma, you can do that also. Okay, so this is how Sherlock work. Okay, so Sherlock scan all this, whatever the social media platforms they have given into the scan list. It will scan to all this portals and find out if your particular username is registered over there, and it will give you the information that particular username has been registered into particular this portal. Okay, so this is what Sherlock can do. Okay, so that's how. And then you can utilize Google Cloud Shell. Okay, you can use Python scripting here, you can download tools, you can work it out here. So basically it's fantastic platform from Google Cloud, and this information gathering tool which we have discussed today about Sherlock, I hope this information is some important for you. Okay, we'll meet in the next video with some other information. Okay, thanks a lot. Take care.